Meninas, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Tô indo ali levar as coisas que eu separei, algumas coisas, né? Que eu separei. A zoada da moto aqui, tá ventando muito aqui hoje. Tô indo ali levar algumas coisas que eu separei pra dar minha amiga. E aí chegando lá eu mostro pra vocês, tá certo? É rapidinho, é aqui pertinho de casa. E também vou passar ali na Bomboniere. Também coisa rápida. E já eu mostro pra vocês, tá certo? Meninas, eu já tô voltando pra casa. Já tô voltando pra casa. Não gravei lá pra vocês porque a minha amiga estava com visita em casa. E aí, né, gente, fica meio desconfortável, né? Ficar gravando. E aí já tô voltando pra casa. Quando chegar em casa aí eu falo com vocês, tá bom?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Meninas, algumas coisas já terminei aqui, né? Limpei aqui embaixo também já tá limpo. Botei roupa pra lavar. Aqui ainda tem mais pra botar. Mais roupa. Tirei a lona daqui da piscina aqui. Passei uma água nela, tava toda suja de poeira. Lavei aqui embaixo, tava tudo sujo. Molhei as plantas. Aqui é pano de chão para estender, que eu vou estender agora. Ai, isso aqui é daqui. Então aqui. E é isso. O tempo hoje, ó, como tá. Aqui já é 5 e pouca da tarde já, viu? Ó. Imagine. Era pra eu ter feito isso tudo de manhã, mas como faltou a água, e aí agora que eu comecei a fazer, porque a água chegou pouco distante. Deixa eu ver se já encheu aqui. Eu vou tirar aqui. Já encheu. Essa aqui é uma almofada que eu deixei de molho. Tá manchada. Eu vou agora enrolar aqui essa mangueira, deixa eu botar ali pra poder ela enchendo ali. E agora eu vou entrar a benção, como fica. Hoje tá andarilha ela, tá? Pronto. Agora só vou estender ali aqueles panos. E vou, ó, pegar aquela garrafinha ali que eu esqueci. E vou entrar pra poder terminar de fazer alguma coisa lá dentro também.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really